Okay, this is a tour of C2082 at Gaylord Opryland Hotel, which is the Cascades Lobby, second floor, room 082. It is a 2-queen bed, atrium view with a balcony. So I'll show you all that in a minute. So you come right in and there is a sink area which closes off from the normal bathroom, which is always really nice. And single vanity or single sink vanity, but it's double wide, which is great. Toilet, and then you do have the tub shower combo in here as well with the Relash Spa amenities there. So a nice large tub for you. And like I say, I do love that this door closes off separately. So someone can be showering or using the bathroom and somebody else can still be getting ready. And then there's a closet in here as well with a safe and hangers and ironing board, luggage stand, etc. You come into the main part of the room right here. Again, this is 2 queens. I've turned on the reading lights there, but these beds are super comfy at Opryland. And I love that the nightstand has like the extra charge ports on the lamp. That kind of stuff is always really great. And this extra charger as well. So there is a great workspace right here and a little complimentary water situation. The mini fridge is down here, which is perfect if you have medications or some food that you want to keep chilled. There's also this whole coffee maker setup that comes out with a coffee amenity box and tea as well. So that pulls out and then stores back neatly. Some drawers, pretty big screen TV, definitely enough for watching. Workspace if you work on the go like I always do. And then this is a balcony room. So you come out, we're on the 2nd floor. I kind of love this because it's pretty private. So you've got this brick wall here, but that makes it nice and private. And then you do have a divider to the balcony next to you. So this is the Cascades Lobby. And you can see, I believe this is a sushi place right here. The main check-in desk is over that direction. And they've already got it decorated for Christmas. So all these beautiful Christmas decorations. This is just such a great view. And you really are tucked away. You've got this cool little bridge that overlooks. So super tucked away in the corner here, which is just really nice and private and comfy. And they've got a little table and 2 chairs. My husband and I love to sit out here while our daughter goes to bed. So this concludes your tour. Pretty great view. And again, it is a 2-queen atrium view with a balcony. This is in the Cascades Lobby, and it is room C2082 Gaylord Opryland Hotel. So definitely recommend. It's a great room.